that you cannot get back. The pain is real, you can't erase it. Sooner or later, you have to face it down. Inside your head, will you regret the things you never said? You have a voice, you have to use it. You have a choice, don't let them shut